How'd you guys meet? Church. Church? Oh yeah, I forgot where I was for a second. Really? Oh. Okay, hell yeah. How many kids you got? 12, 13? Anybody here work with animals before in the past? Woo. What did you do?
My friend was a dog trainer and I assisted her.
Did she pay you for that?
No.
Oh, okay. So you just kind of hung out with your friend at work. Yeah. She's like, sit, and you're like, yeah, sit. Anybody have a tattoo they've been made fun of for in the past? Over here, what was yours?
It's a piece of pizza with mushrooms, and I don't like mushrooms.
Oh, it's a piece of pizza with mushrooms, and you don't like mushrooms. What made you get that tattoo?
It was an apprentice, so it was free.
Oh, it was a free tattoo. And you're like, can I actually get it without mushrooms, please? She's like, just pick them off, dude. I went to Tulum for my 35th, which was pretty cool. Yeah? Are you Mexican? Hell yeah. You speak Spanish? See? Hell yeah. What's your name? What's your name, brother?
Wade.
Wade? Your name's Wade? And you're Mexican? Oh, okay. You're married to a Mexican person. That doesn't make you Mexican. How'd you meet your wife?
She came here to start a company, and we met and married 25 years ago.
Wow, okay. That's the first time I heard a little bit of Mexican. You're like, 25 years ago.
She started her company, and then next thing you know, it's 25 years later.
That's rad, man. And what made you learn Mexican? What was the, I'm sorry, Spanish. No! Delete it!
You guys here raised by mostly women? Hell yeah. Okay. Hell yeah. That's cool. What'd you have? What was your situation at home?
My dad died.
Oh. No. Why did you open with that? If you excluded him in the story, I wouldn't have asked. I specifically asked about the women, and you're like, I can bring up a sad man. You go. Your grandma, your aunt, oh hell yeah, your sister? What happened to your father? No, okay. Please don't tell me. This is the place for jokes. I'm sorry. No, it's okay, but that was such...
My dad died.
Anybody ever do long distance before? Yeah. You guys have over here? The guy that's clapping right there. Are you with that person still?
No.
Where are you from? What's that accent from?
London.
Ooh, I love that accent, dude. You live there or here?
Live here.
You miss it?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
What about it? What's the biggest difference?
The food.
The food? Your English food? Really? Oh no, breakfast without beans. You must... What's your favorite thing to eat in England?
Indian food.
Indian food. Okay, there's colonizing plates too, huh? That's cool though, man. You did long distance. Where was the long? That's how we started talking about it. Where did she or he live?
Boston.
Oh wow. Was there a trick to it? Did you guys call each other a lot? You send nudies? You ever send nudies?
My wife's here.
Your wife is here. Oh. Congrats. Oh wait, no, that's different lady. Okay, man. Okay. So this bad. It's going pretty good. Oh no. Where'd you meet this one? Where'd you not this one? Where'd you meet her? She's Australian, really? That's so cool, dude. I have an issue with Australians. I was in an open relationship for a while. I don't know if you guys know what that is. You know what that is? That's when two people agree to have sex with other people because one of them wants to do that. She was too excited, too. She was like, we're going to sleep with other people. I'm like, you're gonna, and I'll try. And she destroyed me, dude. The first week it was 3-0 all Australian dudes. Yeah, that with me for quite a while. Clap for an Australian man here. Good. Oh, no. long you been here?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. Did you? Dude, that would be the trifecta. That happened, and then he's like, "I'm f***ing girlfriend."
What do you do for work, buddy?
Musician.
Oh, cool. What do you play?
Guitar and singer.
Guitar and singer. Do we know your band?
No, you don't know my band.
Oh, okay.
Real small.
What?
Real small.
Real small?
Yeah. Audio Circus.
Audio Circus?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That lady was being nice. Look at that. I can riff too. That's cool, man. We always say comedians are just musicians that can't play instruments, dude. We want to be like you, and then sometimes you guys want to be like us, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? You guys do jokes between songs.
Yeah.
Don't do that. You know how f***ed up it would be if I made a joke, like at the end of my joke, I was like, and then real quick, today is gonna be the day. What do you do for a job, my friend? You're a magician? I love magic. Do you have anything with you? Would you want to do a trick? Yeah. You want to come over and stay? Nice to meet you, man. What's your name, dog?
Ben.
Ben, nice to meet you, Ben. Let's give a round of applause for Ben, huh? What can we do here?
All right.
Oh, whoops.
You know, like tarot cards?
Do I know tarot cards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like they tell you things about the people. That
Sure.
They pick. Like decks of cards are like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So every single card means something. Like you could pick the 2 of hearts.
Yeah.
It might mean that you're like a compassionate lover. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna have you touch the back of any card. It's gonna tell me something about you.
Okay.
All right? You ready?
Let's do it.
Any card. Put your finger out. Touch the back of any card. Any card.
There.
Hold it against your chest.
Okay.
All right. He could have chosen any card. Any card. But the one he chose is going to tell me something about him. Jeff,
Yeah.
have a look.
Give it up for Ben one more time. Oh, I can keep it? Watch, careful, don't. All right. You gotta be ashamed if you fell. Oh, man, I'll be honest. I was like, oh, it's a Joker or something like that. But he's like, no, you're gay, bro. It's going in my keeper pocket. I didn't want to sit on it. It felt weird. A lot of you guys are uncircumcised. I found that out. Like, asking. I didn't. Ew, I didn't lick my lips. I wasn't walking around London like, huh. Clap if you're circumcised in here. You right there? Hell yeah, man. What's your name? Is there a reason behind it or anything like that? Are you Jewish or something? It's medical? Do you mind if you take the lead on this conversation? You want me to stop talking to you? You couldn't put it, they couldn't put it back when you were younger. They couldn't put it back. Paul! Oh shit! Oh no! Really? Like, it was stuck? Like... And they cut it, your dick was like... Have you ever worked with animals before? What'd you do? Someone said yes with a long S. What'd you do? Okay, well, she said something different than what you said. Let me just talk to her if you don't mind. I appreciate the ambassador you brought with you. What's your name? Who's the person that's talking for you? Holly. And how do you guys know each other? Your best friend. Is that what she told you? You guys are best friends. Where'd you meet? Okay, there she goes again. Anna, what'd you do with animals? You said ASPCA? RSPCA. Is that? Oh, ours is because A is America. And your R is what the f*** R? Royal. Nerds. Did you ever have to stop a dog fight? You got attacked by a dog. Who won? Did you win? No? Oh no. I bet Holly would have taken care of it for you. You guys kinky group? You got, yeah? Hell yeah, man. You're the only one that yelled out, so if you don't mind, what's your name, dog? Ben, nice to meet you, Ben. What's your thing? What's your little thing? And no one look back. Let's create a safe space. I don't want to be like, thing. And someone's like, Ben? Like, oh, you shouted out on Ben's behalf, another friend, huh? Who are you to Ben? Just a pal?
Yeah.
Okay, and so Ben, are you okay with us talking about it?
Why not?
Okay, I feel like his kink is a submissive one. No, okay, what's Ben's friend? What's his kink? Oh, he has a mommy thing? No, hold on. First of all, he just might have went to therapy and figured out a lot of our own kinks. Not a kink, it's not like mommy thing, but a lot of guys like. Okay, I should know. Yeah, no, you're weird. You're weird. Wow, I've never felt so alone. What made you think this? What made you come to this conclusion about? Oh, you okay? Okay, you don't have a kink. You just want to Joe's mom, dude. And he's like, "You're such a kinky guy," and he's like, "Yeah, well, what's a kink?" No, I just want Deborah. What'd you say?
You want to my sister?
Really? And your mom. I don't think this is a good friend, Joe.